Hello dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Now remember in the previous lesson I showed you how to write C++ program to print this triangle partner program, right? But now I would like to ask you a question. As you see this in this black, there is a triangle, but it's different from this for white one, right? In this notepad. Now I would like to ask you whether you are able to write this program by editing this one, right? To transform this program into this one. So to do this, let me show you how we can do this one, right? Let us change this program. As you see, this is one that print the previous one, right? Let me show you how it looks like. Is this one? You see this one as you see in here. Right now, to change this one, we are just changing here. Instead of printing I, let us printing J like this, right? And save our program. Let us make a compilation and to check whether an output will meet with what we want, right? Yeah, you see, this is what I would like to teach you. You see now our program is printing the corresponding column instead of printing corresponding row. As you see here, this is what I want to teach you in this video, right? Please, if you have any question about C++ programming language, especially in those lessons we already covered, like control statements, either selection control statement like if else, switch, and so on and so forth. Also for loop statement like for loop, while loop, dual loop, and also for jump statement. Please don't hesitate yourself. Be open and ask us in the comment section, right? So, and please don't miss subscribe again, like this video and share it to your colleagues, and let us meet in the next video.